If you're using ChatGPT for any type of data analysis task, you need So let's go ahead and do something easy. I've got this huge Google Sheets document with email addresses and the dates the people signed up for my newsletter. I'll just start a new chat and upload my file. Now let's see what Julius does. As you can see, it starts right away and makes these Python snippets to analyze and create this chart it will show soon. Look at this. Now this is definitely suitable for a presentation at school or a report to your boss. But it's nothing too special. As you can see, I believe these are the signups from each day. You can see the dates at the bottom and the frequency, meaning the amount of signups, to the left. This is just the most basic thing Julius can do. Let's get into some heavier data analysis, because to be honest, ChatGPT would also be able to make this chart. Before we get into the crazy stuff, if you're enjoying this video, I highly recommend you to not only actually get out there and try Julius out for yourself, but also subscribe to my newsletter about AI. It's 100% free. You don't have to purchase anything, just pure information. The link is in the bio. Now let's get back to the video. I found this dataset about salaries of different data scientist jobs. It's in a CSV format. And by the way, Julius is set to support almost all data file formats, so you won't have to worry about that. So let's just upload the dataset like this, and then it will automatically analyze our stuff like last time. Now I know that my dataset actually consists of data from 2020, and let's say I want a more engaging presentation. I can then prompt Julius to first visualize my information further by creating a histogram. Once we've got the histogram ready, which looks pretty good by the way, we can then ask Julius to create a GIF. For those of you who don't know what a GIF is, you're probably living under a rock. Anyways, you'll see Julius continue creating these Python snippets. Now what makes this so special is that since it's Python, you can customize it any way you want. It's not limited to some bad AI bot that doesn't understand or can't change your image. As you can see here now, it's done. So let's download the GIF, and just to show as quickly as possible, I'll open it up real quick, and as you can see, it's a fully functional GIF that shows how the data changes over time. I actually remembered this now. All of these things we've generated are 2D, so how about we step it up one level? Believe it or not, you can also create interactable 3D models of data with Julius. And I know it sounds insane, but it's true. I have this document of random Spotify data like different songs, how many streams they have, and stuff like that. So I uploaded the data and got these visualizations as usual. But in order to actually make it 3D, I'll first use this following prompt. Can you create a 3D visualization for the top 100 songs by streams showing the BPM, energy, and danceability? Now this is the actual output I got, which isn't too exciting. It's 3D, sure, but let's make it interactive. In order to do it, I'll have to refine the prompt a little bit, so let's do this instead. Can you create an interactive 3D visualization showing streams, BPM, and danceability, and give me a download link? Once it's done, just scroll down a bit and check this out. It's the same thing, but I can move it with my mouse and now it's an actual 3D model. There's also a download link available like we told it to include. Pretty good. Now let's move on to something you might find a lot more useful that will make your everyday life easier. For example, you can convert your files to basically any format. This means you can avoid having to try out 5 different sites that all suck just to convert a file. Instead, you can just upload your file to Julius and tell it whatever you want to convert it to. Like in these examples, you can convert from CSV to Excel, Excel to PDF, and even Excel to XML. You can also create a flowchart,
Excel formula, edit videos, build a landing page, perform a logistic regression, extract text from images, solve math problems, resize images, find hex codes of an image, convert a hex code to RGB,
perform an ANOVA analysis. Alright, you get what I mean. There's endless things to do. And for the grand finale, let me show you how you can use Julius to develop fun features for your website without needing to hire a developer or anything like that. In less than a minute, I'm gonna make a functional emoji generator for a website, and all I need is one single prompt. So if you take a look here, this is what I'm gonna use. It might look a little bit scary with the HTML and JavaScript, but it's really effective. Now once we've sent the prompt, it's obviously going to load for a little while since it's a harder task. But take a look at what we end up with. A button in the Julius brand colors, and if we click it, it functions just as I wanted it to. A new emoji for every click. I could definitely see how AI tools like these will completely replace web designers, developers, and completely supercharge all your data analysts out there. Make sure to comment if you agree or not. If you want to support my work, smash the subscribe button, like this video, and most importantly, subscribe to my newsletter, damn it. Check out Julius as well. It's amazing. Other than that, see ya.